welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned. Okay guys, today I'll be making some oatmeal cookie. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that like button for me, guys. So first thing first, I have raisin. You can use whatever raisin you want to use. So what I'm going to do with this raisin, I'm just going to open it. And I'm going to pour some of this raisin into my bowl. You can put as much raisin you want in your cookie. Depend on you. I'm going to use half of this pack. I'm going to use this amount of raisin, half of the pack, and I'm going to pour some warm water over it, and then I'll leave it aside until I'm ready to use it. Okay guys, here I have my raisin with warm water. I'm going to put that aside until I'm ready for that. I'm going to use some all-purpose flour. I'm going to use 3 cups of flour. And guys, if you don't have this flour, you can use regular flour to make it as well. But this will be one of the best flour to make the cookie. As I said, you don't have it, that's fine. You can use your regular flour, but make sure you sieve your regular flour before you start making the cookie. Alright, so I have this, my flour here. There you go. People, very simple cookie. And you watch movie and so you can snack on that. So this will be my dry ingredient. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of cinnamon, and then we're going to use some baking soda. I need half teaspoon of baking soda as well. So we'll do half of this. Alright. Put those aside. And we need half teaspoon and not an egg. I'm going to use half another egg and grate that. It should be fine. If you have the powder one, you can go ahead and use that one too. Alright, so I'm going to mix that in. And guys, the reason why I put the water and the raisin is to make it very nice and juicy and plummy. Just mix that in. And we're going to put that aside. Alright. Okay, so now I have butter. I'm going to put 1 stick and a half of butter. Like that. Listen, I need everything. I put everything in there. I use half stick of this one. You can use any butter you want, but I'm using unsalted butter today. Then I use 1 cup of brown sugar. So what I normally do when I'm making cookie, I will take my butter from the fridge and leave it for a little bit for it to melt a little bit. More than when it's hard. It's better when it's melt a little bit like this. Alright, so I have half cup of sugar. This is half cup. So 2 of this will make 1 cup. So that's, yeah, so that's 1 cup of sugar. What you're going to do now, you can use your fork, you can use your whisk, or you can use the whisk machine. I'm just going to put that one in. Alright. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to whisk this because I want this to become smooth and creamy. You can use your spoon or you can use a whisk. Or if you have this machine, you can use it as well. I'm going to put it on medium. Okay, so I'm going to put the egg in. So we're using 1 egg. And vanilla in there as well. So I did put 1 egg in there. So we're just going to whisk that out. Alright, so I'm going to put some vanilla in there. Press that right there, so. Alright. So 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla. That's a 1.5 vanilla in that. And we're going to mix it. Everything in. Alright, so I have dry ingredients. We need 3 cups of oats. This is 2 cups. I'm going to add that as I go along. Alright, so that good way to use a fork and mix everything together like so. Take your time, no rush into this. Take your time and do your thing. See there? One little time and do your little thing. Just mix up it like so. And you put the rest in that. And you do your same little thing. Yeah. It's like that. Same way so. And people can use any oats where you want. I just prefer this one when I'm doing my cooking. The Quaker oats, this is what I use. And I do so. And I get some more. 1 cup of this, and then me set. That good. Alright, and just throw that in like that. Now we just do the same. So this is what you want. Alright, I'm going to put that aside. Let me go back for this. So I'm going to put it in there little by little. So just do that. Put it in there like that. No more than that. I'm going to mix that round. people. So I'm gonna add the raisin in. So make sure you drain off the raisin properly. You can use a strainer to do so. Okay? So you're gonna add it in like that. You take your time and mix everything together like that. Take your time and mix it in. All right. Lovely. Beautiful. That's what we want. Take your time like so and do your thing. So peeps, this is how you want it, just like that. See there? Exactly what you want. Very nice. Alright, so me love walnuts in my oatmeal cookie. You don't have to put it in there, or you can put any nuts what you want in there. So I'm gonna add that in there and just get everything in like so. See there? If you don't want to make this so much cookie, you can use one less cup of flour or so, depending on how much people you're making it for or how long you want to have a cookie, whichever way. Alright, nice and easy. Lovely. So that you look for people. Very nice. Alright, so now may get the baking tin. Okay people, now may have the baking tin. This is a piece of parchment paper. So what I'm going to do, I have an ice cream scoop. I'm going to use that to take some of the cookie up. Scoop like that. I'm not going to full it, because if you put too much in there, you're going to allow it to spread apart and get very wide. I don't want the cookie them so wide. So you do that to all of them. Don't put them too close. Do like that. So if you don't have the ice cream scoop or the cookie scoop, you can use a spoon. So I have some water here. What I'm going to do with this, I'm going to dip my 2 fingers in it like that. Press on the cookie to flatten it out a little, because you don't want it too thick. Like that. You can use your hand to shape it up like that. So now raisin it up on top of that. Don't be afraid to take, if you have more, and put it on top like that. That's okay. You do that. You just stick them in there like that. Always just go ahead and just wet the finger, move up the one here too close. With your finger like that. And use your hand and just shape up a thing. But I just showing you this and this one. Then use the rest to make more cookie. There you go. And use your finger and just shape up the thing. So we're going to do, we're going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees to 12, say about 10 to 14 minutes. Sorry, 10 to 14 minutes. We're going to put them in the fire. Alright people, so I'm going to put it in the oven and make it go on and so. And then I'll show you the finishing touch. So I'm going to go ahead and place them on the racks to finish cool. Can't wait to eat this. I love my cookie like that. The top looks like that. Yeah. I'm going to show you one of my cookies. I'm going to break one. Who should I break? Who should I break? This one. Let's see. It's still a bit hot. Ooh, look at that. There you go, my cookie. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Yep. Shanna's oatmeal cookie. Lovely. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you like to see I prepare next. Don't forget to hit that good old notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to be notified when I upload another video. Bye for now.